Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It took us a little minute. We got our first order of the day. $8.25 for 5 miles right here at Denny's. They got them a Minute Maid juice, a Grand Slamage. Denny's had that thing ready to go, which is not typical for this Denny's right here because they pretty slow. They understaffed it. But shout out to them for having their order head out and get this one dropped off. It is actually going down the highway. So that's why I decided to take this order, because I normally won't take an order that's going 5 miles away. But in this instance, I said, okay, it's Denny's. I'm already right here. I was sitting at Walmart, and then I saw that it was going down the highway. I said, you know what? That's a 5 miles that I can do right there. Ooh, I sure hope this apartment door is open, because it looked like it may be locked. Yeah, it looks like it just may be locked. Okay, we gotta go to number 4. Get us. So it looks like we're going up. Which one is 4? Oh, gotta be this one that's covered. There you go. Oh, appreciate it. Thank you. 825 stays 825. I kind of figured with the mileage on that one that it wasn't gonna go up, but $5 tip is still good going down the highway. We got $8.75 for 10.1 miles at Crazy Bows and Wraps, and guess what? It's gonna stay right there. You see where I'm at? I'm in Walmart parking lot, waiting on a Walmart Spark order. I got Doordash on, but look, I also got my brain cells on too. I'm not taking that order. Look at that. I got the seat let back. I'm chilling. Look, they sent me the same offer again. Maybe I didn't decline it fast enough.
Come on now, dog.
Let's go ahead and make sure they feel the full pressure of that decline on this one.
Come on, man.
Look, if you're taking orders like that, I feel sorry for you. And to be honest, you kind of out there messing up the game for everybody. You know, food delivery is going in one direction, and that's down. And it's because drivers take orders like that is the reason that these companies think they can pay us less. Look at this. $5.50 for 5.6 miles. Again, don't take that offer now. Somebody gonna end up taking it. I guarantee you. Somebody gonna end up taking that offer. Get honest pay on base pay from these companies, because they like, look, if we got foods out there that's gonna take $5 for 5.6 miles, why should we pay more base pay? Why should they? If we got foods out there that's taking that, I wouldn't pay more either. We already had 2 bad offers. I guess the third time is the charm. Look at this nonsense. $12.94, 14 miles, 13 items. And that ain't even a shop. That's a straight customer pickup. All you gotta do is pick it up. But some fool, some idiot out there is gonna drive 15 miles away and then they're gonna drive 14 miles away, then drive 14 miles back, all for $13. Trash upon trash upon trash upon trash. $14.50, 11.4 miles at McAllister's Deli. And guess what? That motherfucker gonna stay right there. Stop playing with me. I ain't taking that. And look at this shit. $7.75. Yeah, if you drive 9 miles and fuck up your car. Look at this, man. This is crazy. DoorDash is out here tripping. I ain't worried about it. I'm about to give me a Spark order. But man, if you only doing DoorDash, oh my God. I ain't got no orders all day. Tell me why the one order I got, tell me why this mug got 10 cases of waters on it, y'all. 10 cases of water. It's all it is 10 cases of water. Oh my God. It is something going on. I think Walmart Spark trying to punish me, man. They straight. I ain't never got an order with 10 cases of water. I'm parked in parking spot number 9. Oh, they finna have to bring me these cases all the way down the parking lot because I'm in spot number 9. That was crazy. I usually park in spot number 1. I just got a Walmart Spark order. I rushed out the crib. I just accepted it. Rushed out the crib. I seen it said 2 miles. Man, I just got up here, I checked in. This order straight say 10 cases of water, and that's it. I'm just praying to God that it is not going to no apartment complex, because oh my goodness, this is 10 cases of water. Oh man. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. This is look at this water. You see this? I'm about to get all my exercise today. Do you see all of this water? This is crazy. This is the only order I got today. This is the only order I got all day. So I just made it to my delivery address. It's a business. That one right there. And guess what? They are closed and nobody's there to accept this delivery. So, luckily me, this one requires a signature. And if you didn't know, you can easily get deactivated on Walmart Spark if you don't get the proper signature or you drop the item off without getting the signature and you just kind of scribble. You can get deactivated for that. So we finna let this timer go ahead and run down, and then we're gonna take all 10 cases of this water all the way back to Walmart. That way we can protect our account and we still gonna get paid for the delivery. But man, I knew something like this was gonna happen because this was a fishy delivery. 10 cases of water. Like, I knew it was something going on with this, but I accepted it. I'm still gonna get paid for it, but it sucks that we had to drive it back. But this is what you want to do in this situation. Don't drop it off, leave it at the door. If it was a situation where I could take a picture, maybe I would do that. But I knew this was gonna be a problem customer when it was 10 cases of water. Now, luckily it wasn't no apartment building, but being that it's a business, it requires a signature. And if ain't nobody here to sign, you gotta go ahead and hit that button. Do front door service. There we go. I'm heading that way right now. Man, I just got my first order of the day. It's a Walmart Spark order, but it came through on Uber Eats. This is crazy. Like, they straight giving me Walmart Spark orders on Uber Eats, and I never get them in my zone on Uber Eats. So I'm like, let's go. First order of the day, $12 for 4 miles, and then I already got my second order also. This one came in at $23 for 6 miles, and this one is also at the same Walmart. Luckily, I was able to multi-app, so I'm picking up orders from the same store but on different apps, guys. This is the best way to maximize right now because the food delivery is slow. It's slow as that one thing right now. And I said I was gonna wake up early so I can get out, get a couple Spark runs done, and then head out and try to do some food delivery later on, right? Well, come to find out, you know, it wasn't a lot of orders at my Walmart at 7:45. So boom, I turned on Uber because I'm like, all right, I'm up. I gotta make some type of money. I can't just be up for no reason. Boom, first order Uber send me. It's for the Walmart. I'm like, man, that's perfect. 3-to-1 miles to money ratio. I said, okay, now I can knock this out. Boom. Soon as I accepted that, then Walmart hit me with their Spark offer. But that one ain't for 9. It ain't until 9:15. So it works out perfectly for me. I got just enough time to drop off these 2 Uber Eats orders, which is a Walmart order. And then I'm going to head right back to this Walmart. And that way I can get me a nice little cash flow going for today. Today is Halloween, October 31st. It's the last day of the month. So if you out there going for Top Dasher, you gotta get it hard. You gotta hit it hard today. It might be a little peak pay later on, not sure, but I'm not worried about that at all. Look, Doordash ain't been giving me a whole lot of money lately, so I can't be putting all my chips in their basket, if you feel what I'm saying. But I will say this though. If they want to give me something good, I'll consider it. You know, in between me doing this, I'll consider it. Just like if they want to send me a nice little food delivery heading in the same direction, we can make that happen. First order of the day, Uber Eats coming through. Let's go ahead and drop it off right at the front door. Thank you for the great order. I appreciate it. Boom, we got to get a picture. There we go. And that was a nice first order. Hopefully this next one is very close. I'm trying to keep these wheels rolling. They actually let me check in for my Walmart Spark order already. So I need to hurry up and get back over there, guys. Let's see. Next is perfect. Hopefully it's heading in the same direction as Walmart, because I'm not trying to be late getting back over there for this delivery. Let's see. Say it's a mile away. Now Walmart been playing lately because, like, okay, check this out. My pickup time be on the 15-minute of the hour, or to be on the 20-minute of the hour. Every time I have a pickup time on those time slots, it always give me the notification that my trip is about to be canceled because I'm late. I'm like, how am I late? And it's not even pickup time yet. I'm 15 minutes away from the time y'all told me to be there, right? I'm 15 minutes away from that time. Like, if I'm 15 minutes away from, and if the time that I'm supposed to be there is 15 minutes away, how am I possibly late? It makes no sense, Walmart. You got to get it together. Like, cause they canceled 2 trips on me, telling me that I'm late, trip gonna be unassigned, but I'm there and it won't let me sign in or check in for the order. It's kind of annoying when you get a nice order paying a good amount and then the Walmart algorithm just take it from you because it thinks that you late. Like, come on, bro, I'm not late. Quit taking my orders from me and quit sending me these orders at these crazy time slots in order to make it seem like I'm not gonna be there in time. Now, luckily, I was able to check in, but you gotta be careful because you can miss out on some good money messing around with Walmart Spark like that. This Timberwolf right here, exactly where we need to go. Boom. So that didn't take long to get to. I've been over here a few times too. It's some nice residences over here. Now I'm trying to understand, is it gonna be orders like this on Uber Eats all day? Because if so, I would multi-app and do both of these apps all day and get to my $100 goal super quick. I was just about to head to Sam's Club and fill this gas tank up, man. Look at that. Gas is low. I'm sitting there, what? Damn near empty, for real. But as soon as I was leaving, I was getting ready to go to Sam's Club. Boom. Spark hit me with another offer. $22, 6.9 miles, but only 2 customers. I said, hold up. That's 3-to-1 miles to money ratio. It's not 3 customers on there. I gotta take that. So I'm back at Walmart. This is order number 3, third order of the day, and we only 2 hours in. So if I can get this one done in a reasonable amount of time, that'll be $50. You know, in under 3 hours, early in the morning on Tuesday, and that's something I don't normally do. So the great thing is, even if it cost me $50 to fill this tank up, I would have made that this morning. And that's the way I like to get it, man, because I like to make what I spend, right? If I know I'm finna go out and spend 50 on gas, let me just make 50 real quick, right? Let me make 50 real quick, throw that in the gas tank, and now I'm full, and I have not used any of the profits that I made on the previous day. I was trying to hit that incentive last night, but they played me, bro. I had 2 orders canceled on me. So them trips didn't go towards my incentive, and I wasn't finna be out there till 9 at night. I got kids, and I got things to do. So we back out here today. I got out early in the morning, hit it hard, right? I usually don't even get orders Tuesday morning, so I'm taking advantage. Get this little $50 real quick, throw that in the tank, and the goal is to make 50 more, but we gonna give it a little breathing room. I don't want these apps thinking that I need to make it right now, because then they'll just throttle you and send you bad trips, and they're gonna make it harder. I'm gonna make it as easy as possible on myself. So I've been out grinding for a couple hours. I'm gonna get this one done. I'm gonna go get that gas, and if they send me something else good, I'll take it. But if not, I'm gonna go home and eat me some breakfast. I just got that last Spark order dropped off. So according to my Spark app, it says I'm at $50 already for the day. But 2 of the trips I did, they gave me a notification saying additional trip earnings because of the wait time. So I'm probably closer to like $60. But I've already stopped at Sam's Club, put 48 in the gas tank, and now we on full, guys. So I'm good to go. I'm about to go ahead, head home, eat me some breakfast. It's 11 o'clock now, so technically I've been out for 3-4 hours, but I did use a little bit of time to get that gas. And if you know anything about Sam's Club, you know they make you wait a little bit. You know, there always be a line when you're trying to get that gas. So we good. You know, $50 in 3 hours, including my total time, I'll take that.